world's most powerful smartphone. So if you'd like to take a moment, I'll take you through a few features of the device. So first of all, it is a dual-core NVIDIA Integra 2 chipset. That means it's running two 1 gigahertz processors simultaneously at the same time. We also have on the device 1 gig of RAM. So obviously from a computer side point of view, it's a very, very powerful handset. So it's Android 2.2, supported with Moto Blur, which is our unique software to allow you to interact with social networking, email, and of course obviously if you're a corporate customer, then obviously using your corporate and enterprise solution information. Further step from that is obviously we have a whole range of accessories that really do bring this product to life. So if I'd like to show you, I'm going to place my Motorola Atrix into the HD dock, and what this will do for me is take me in to something called Webtop. Now Webtop is Motorola's own software that allows you to have a PC-like experience from the palm of your hand onto the big screen. So what you can see here straight away, I have my mobile view. This is my mobile phone, so my home screen. So to show you again, I can click onto my social networking, or I can go into the main menu, access all of the features on my mobile phone. Heck, I can even make a phone call and be able to ring anybody in my phone book. What we can also then do is obviously then go into the world of mobile, the internet, sorry. And this is a full Firefox browser, so it's not mobile browsing, full Firefox. So you get true internet experiences. So quickly go to Google. I'm on Wi-Fi at the moment, so type in and of course then I have access to full web pages. And what I'm about to show you here is obviously Motorola's web page, but this supports full flash, so it's true internet. So it's really quite important that for the consumers who actually use this product, that they're not restricted by any reduction in flash capability.
So it's as good as browsing as a desktop?
Yeah, it's exactly the same as browsing as a desktop. I can expand it so I can make it as large as I want, and of course then obviously you get the full flash support. Obviously from a consumer's point of view, it's all about cloud computing. So what you've got here is Facebook. As an example, that is cloud computing. You store your photographs on Facebook on a server somewhere. The same when you use Windows Live for email, that is cloud again. Google Mail, cloud, everything's moving to the cloud. So everything will be stored somewhere else and you can access it through a web portal.
So the computer itself is powered through that. The phone is the computer in a way.
Yeah.
Okay.
So everything is powered from the Motorola Atrix. What you have got the ability to do, so from an enterprise point of view, is use something called Citrix.
Okay.
So for those who are not aware what Citrix is, that is the ability to remote access your desktop, giving you a full PC experience, but without having to have a PC to do it.
So an office at home.
Yeah, an office at home. So that's your enterprise message. Other cool stuff to actually get involved in is the entertainment center. So take a second to load. Again, through the HD dock, you'll also receive a remote control, which allows you to access all of your entertainment content directly from the actual remote control. So, to give you an example of what that looks like, click on the video. I'm going to show you a high definition video that's stored on my handset that's now going to play on my high definition screen.
And it's all powered by the phone.
And again, it's all powered by the phone. You don't even have to leave the sofa to press play. But here's the cool thing, when you're ready to go, it's time to move on, you can just unplug it, and what it will then do is allow me to return it to a normal phone. And then while I'm out and about, I have other accessories, for example like the laptop, again, so I can just pop that in. And then when I open the lid, it will then power the laptop. So what you'll then see is the very similar PC experience that you had before, and it's exactly where I left off. So where I left my phone and where I left the web page as well. So if I am working on certain things, it will allow me to reconnect on stuff really simply, so I don't have to worry about powering down safely or saving stuff. And again, I also have access to my full, obviously, entertainment center, so I can be using this as an entertainment tool.
So anything you save through here, say if you save an image, will it save it directly onto the phone?
So if you use the file manager, so obviously if you are wanting to save documents, etc. from the cloud, so you've gone to Windows Live, you've created something, you could save it to Windows Live and obviously to your file manager if you wish. Okay. So you could carry that content with you. So, but that again would be stored on the 16 gig on the phone, or expandable memory of up to 32 gig via micro SD.
Okay.
So some stuff to remember about the lap dock is quite simply, this is an 11.6 inch high def screen. You've then obviously got trackpad, mouse buttons obviously. It's got speakers and a microphone. So it allows you to obviously be able to make and receive phone calls while it's in the dock. And on top of this, it's got an amazing 7 hours of battery performance. But here's the killer bit, even with 7 hours battery, it will charge your phone at the same time. So when you do get off that long journey, you can just have a fully charged mobile phone.
Does it have any USB ports at all for plugging in like a mouse or anything? Or?
Yep, certainly does. So we have 2 USB ports at the back that allows you to obviously add, memory sticks or mice or etc. things like that. So again, taking it a step further.
So you can have that as your laptop with your phone and your mouse for browsing, and then unplug that and you're on the move for what you need.
Exactly right.
Documents or any type of work information.
So it's a good question. Documents. So just quickly show you. So the first thing to remember about documents, so you're talking about spreadsheets, Excel, PowerPoint. These are all available and stored on the cloud via Microsoft. So all you need to do is have a Microsoft Live account, and you will be able to do all of those things and save it on the cloud in the internet, if you wish. But alternatively, if you have documents on the phone, you can then view them through the Quick Office solution that's actually built into the device. And therefore I can now look at spreadsheets, PowerPoint, etc., PDFs, all on there. And of course,
Quick Office is a Motorola solution?
Quick Office has built it onto the phone, into the actual device.
And when will the phone be on sale in Europe, would you say? There's no confirmed dates.
Unfortunately, I'm just the technical person. You'd have to go and speak to PR to pick up any dates and network stuff like that. I don't sell them, I just help build them.
Do you know how much they are?
No.
No idea.